Hello, my name is Meg, and I would like to welcome you to our practice. We're about to take you on a short, guided video tour that helps you understand more about your upcoming cataract procedure. Our practice, in partnership with Alcon, a global leader in eye care, will provide you with information on cataracts and the options that are available to improve your vision after cataract surgery. There's plenty to learn, and we are here to help you understand the variety of treatment types and premium lens choices we have to offer. Can we ask you a huge favor? Our doctor kindly requests that you watch all the brief videos that are provided. They will not only inform you, but they'll help you make important decisions about your treatment options and comfortably participate in discussions with our team during your appointment. Please feel free to show these short video links to family members and friends as well. We look forward to working with you on your personalized treatment plan.
If you have cataracts, you're not alone. More than 3.5 million Canadians have cataracts. But a lot of people don't know much about cataracts. Here's how they develop. Inside your eye is a hidden lens that helps us focus light on the retina for clear vision. Over time, protein builds up on the lens and becomes denser until it eventually clouds your lens. This makes it more difficult for light to pass through and clearly focus. This causes symptoms like cloudy, blurry, or dim vision, sensitivity to light and glare, and possibly a frequent need to change prescriptions. Cataracts can even make colors appear dull and faded. Symptoms like these develop over time and can eventually make everyday activities more difficult. If you've reached this point, it's time to speak with your eye care professional about treating your cataracts. The good news is that cataracts are correctable with a routine and highly successful procedure. During the surgery, your cloudy natural lens is replaced with a new artificial implant known as an intraocular lens, or IOL. IOLs come in a variety of prescriptions that range from basic to comprehensive, also known as monofocal or multifocal. Over 500,000 cataract surgeries are performed in Canada every year, and a recent study found that 95% of cataract surgery patients experienced improvements in their vision, making it among the most successful procedures. Are you ready to get on the path to better vision? Talk to your eye doctor today about cataract surgery and your procedure options.
You may know that almost everyone gets cataracts. But did you know that up to 52% of people with cataracts also have trouble seeing far away because of astigmatism? And almost 100% of people over 40 start having trouble seeing up close because of an eye condition called presbyopia. As they age, many people will have all three of these eye conditions at the same time. So let's learn how they can affect your vision. If you have cataracts, it means proteins are built up on the lens inside your eye, clouding your vision. If you also have astigmatism, your irregularly curved cornea distorts light entering your eye, making things appear blurry. And if you also have presbyopia, it means your lens has become inflexible over time, making it difficult for the muscles around the eye to focus your near vision. When you have all three conditions, your vision is cloudy, blurry, and you have difficulty seeing up close. Fortunately, Alcon created lenses that correct cataracts, astigmatism, and presbyopia in one procedure to help you clear away the cloudiness and focus across all distances. Best of all, a multifocal toric lens can help reduce your dependency on glasses after surgery. Talk to your eye doctor today about lens options that also correct astigmatism and presbyopia during cataract surgery.
Thank you so much for taking the time to view the short videos. Please feel free to contact us at the links below, where you can call us for an appointment or visit our website. There's even a link that provides directions to our office. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
For more information on cataract surgery options, we recommend that you visit seethefullpicture.ca.